Hi, my name is Lukas Dünnes and I will show you now how to set up a decent project organization. A good project organization has clear functions, roles, and hierarchies and is leaner and flatter than a normal organization. That's why I chose a slim line organization for our sneaker online store project. The first role in our organization would be the one of the project sponsor. His role is it to give clear assignments of tasks to the project manager. He also needs to define strategies, project goals, and priorities. He also has to support the project manager in case of problems or crises. His job is it also to make strategic project controlling and to have an overview about the project expenses. Sometimes he's also needed as a representative of the project's interests to the outside world. The next role in our project organization would be the one of the project manager. His job is to plan and lead the overall project. He should be very proficient in operational project controlling and have a clue about the project's performances, deadlines, and costs. He also has to document and report everything in order to keep track of the overall path of the project and, for most important of all, provide the project sponsor and steering committee with informations. Because he has such a high authority in decision making and leading the overall project, he takes major responsibility for his decisions. The third role in our project organization would be the steering committee, whose task it is also to make decisions regarding the project, but is overall more monitoring the project. Their job is less administrative and more controlling, and that's why I've placed it more sideways in this organization. As we can see, all three roles are always in talk with each other and have to provide each other with information regarding the project. Now, who could take these roles in our sneaker online store project? The role of the project sponsor could be attained by the chief executive officer, for example. The role of the project manager could be attained by the chief operating officer. And the board of directors could act as the steering committee with the chairman of our sneaker company chairing and leading it. Okay, now that we have our overall top of the project organization, but there's still more. Because one needs to have team members and collaborators in order to achieve the project results. The team members need to implement their assigned project tasks and take responsibility for their achieved results. Their job is it to contribute their respective know-how to the project. Apart from attending all project meetings, they need to provide the project manager and their colleagues with informations regarding their progress. In order to know which roles of members are required, one has first to define which tasks are needed based on potential problems to be solved. After that, it comes to summarizing these tasks to certain roles. Here you can see which tasks are needed in our sneaker online store project. The team has to create an appealing concept for the sneaker store and design specific parts of it. Then it is about programming the online store and implementing specific payment channels and connecting it with the finance department. And one has also to make sure that the placed orders are being delivered by the logistics department. In order to answer potential upcoming legal questions, the team could be assisted by a lawyer who acts as a collaborator. Okay, now that we have our roles, we need to staff them and find people who are fitted best in the respective roles. They should be proficient in the assigned tasks. It is very helpful to not change the usual hierarchies too much in order to mitigate possible discrepancies. So in our case, Mike, who is very creative, would take the role of the marketing team member. William is a web designer and takes that role. Ines knows much about IT. Sarah helps in implementing the payment channels. And Lena works in the logistics department, so she takes that role. In order to support the team with legal questions, Laura will take the role of the lawyer because she's proficient in privacy rights and IT law. Okay, now that we have visualized our complete project organization, it is an advantage to hang that one up in the project team's headquarters or to copy it and hand it out to everyone so that it is easy to bear it always in one's mind. I hope that you know now how to set up a clear and strong organization for your next project and want to thank you for watching this video.